Today we're going to make Pecan Nut Milk Kefir. Very easy to do, and we're doing it from scratch. You're going to need some preparation time because you're going to take 1 cup of pecan nuts to 2 cups of filtered water and leave it overnight to soak. The next morning you throw the water off. You can throw the water out to the plants outside, and then you rinse your nuts till the water runs clear. Get your blender ready and add your nuts and water to the blender because we're going to blend this up until it becomes milk. Blend your nuts until it becomes silky smooth and have the appearance of milk. If you have a good blender, this will happen much quicker, and if you have a not so good blender, this may take up to 10 minutes. Careful not to overheat your blender. You don't want your blender to burn out. Therefore, we are pulsing it. You will need a nut milk bag or cotton cloth just to separate the nut milk from the pulp. I'm squeezing the bag firmly to get all the milk out of the bag. Careful not to squeeze too hard because some of these nut milk bags is quite sensitive and it might just tear on the edges. What's left in the bag is the pulp, and it can be dehydrated in a dehydrator or in the oven on a very low heat, and it can be used in baking or cooking recipes. When dehydrating your pulp, simply spread the pulp thinly over a baking tray and put the oven on the lowest heat. Let it dehydrate until it's completely flour-like. Then it would be ready to use in recipes. A teaspoon of date paste to keep the milk kefir grains happy. That's now my pecan nut milk, and now I'm going to add the kefir grains. Cover your jar and let it ferment for 12 hours. Do the taste test. If it tastes sweet, let it go for another 12 hours. Taste it again. If it still tastes sweet, then remember to add less date paste for the next brew. Expect your nut milk to separate. After all, it's nuts and water. So just give it a good shake when ready to consume and it will look like milk again. It's tasty and delicious and very much nutritious, so enjoy your nut milk with any meal as milk replacement.